This food sealer has definitely helped me with cooking, especially somebody like me who loves to cook like every other day for her kids and family. Now I can set up all my meals and get the air out of them and make sure that when I go and grab my ingredients, everything is going to be fresh and usable still for the week. I've even been stealing some breakfast to my daughters and put them in the freezer. So, of course, they'll have freezer meals for like, what, 2 to 3 weeks, maybe longer. But yeah, these have definitely helped me a lot because again, now I'm spending like Saturdays or Sundays pre-prepping all my ingredients, sealing them, my fresh veggies, my meats, my seasoning, and then when I'm ready to cook them, they're ready to go. And again, no mold, no water left behind, no air or anything like that spoiling my fresh fruits that I went and got from the farmer's market. This thing here is a godsend. So again, you do get the bags, you get the containers, and you get the sealer here. And it shuts off when it's done getting all the air out of your food. So if you're looking for a good tool for your kitchen to have, definitely check this out.